information about the COVID-19 Delta variant. Data from Memorial Hermann shows it is spreading very fast in the Houston area. Cases of the variant have nearly doubled in the last week. The hospital system reporting it has hit 42% of its patients, up from 20% last week. Infectious disease pathologists say if it continues at this pace, the Delta variant could make up 92% of all new infections within 2 weeks. The hospital also reporting an uptick in overall COVID cases. That is why they are urging people to get vaccinated. The Delta variant has now passed the Alpha variant as the dominant strain in Houston. They've seen 139 Delta cases. A COVID